Can you tell this actor is AI generated? Because what you're seeing is not real. The actor, the product, even the expressions, all created using a single image and a few lines of text. This is HeyGen's new product placement tool, and it might just be the most powerful AI ads generator out there right now. Here's how it works, and how you can use it to create hyper-realistic ad videos without any filming, editing, or animation skills. First, you upload 2 images, one of your product and one of your avatar. That's it. No training, no complex setup. Just make sure both images are high resolution and well lit. Once uploaded, HeyGen combines them, giving you 4 variations where the avatar is holding your product in different poses and expressions. You pick the one that looks best. Then comes the fun part, scripting. The tool lets you write anything you want your avatar to say. And I mean anything. It's not just lip sync, it's full emotional expression, gesture control, and facial nuance. Think of it like directing a real actor, except it's all text-based. Here's a script I used. I'm AI generated, but honestly, can you even tell? HeyGen just dropped something wild. Product placement. You can make anyone hold anything, say whatever you want, and even control my face, my hands, just with text. Sounds natural, right? Now let's talk about gesture and expression control. This is where things get seriously next level. You can describe, in plain language, exactly how your avatar should act. Want them to smile, take a sip, show off the product, and wink at the camera? Just describe it. You're in full control of how they move, what mood they're in, even how the lighting should look. Here's the prompt I used. Her expression turns joyful and playful. She takes a slow, satisfying sip. Her eyebrows raise, lips curl into a delighted smile. She closes her eyes and lets out a soft of satisfaction. She shows the can to the camera proudly, pointing at it with a wink. Bright, summery lighting with soft cinematic depth of field. And of course, you get to choose the voice. Tons of ultra-realistic options in multiple accents, languages, and tones. Just pick the one that matches your script, and HeyGen takes care of the rest. Honestly, the results are wild. The avatar holds the product naturally. The details on the label are sharp. The expressions are nuanced. The final video looks like a professional commercial, and it only took a few minutes to generate. If you've been thinking about making high-quality ad content but didn't have the budget or team for it, this tool changes everything. HeyGen's product placement feature isn't just impressive. It's disruptive. And yeah, the lines between real and AI just got a whole lot blurrier. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial showing the exact workflow I used. Because let's be honest, this isn't the future of advertising. It's already here.